If you are a job seeker on LinkedIn and you are not using these strategies, you're missing out on so many opportunities. My name is Cindy Makita-Dodd. Welcome back to my channel if you are returning, and if you are new, welcome. I lay out job seeker tips, career advice, and pretty much everything you need to find and land your next opportunity. But before we dive in, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, because listen, I post weekly content that is going to help you along every step on your journey toward finding and landing your next best opportunity. Make sure you click the bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video. I don't want you to miss a beat. In this video, I'm going to share my step-by-step strategy on how to use LinkedIn to land a job. And make sure that you stay right until the end, because I have a bonus tip that is going to help you accelerate your results. Let's dive straight in. So there's two ways that you can approach your job search on LinkedIn. The first is what I call the active approach, and the second is the passive approach. So for the active approach, that is you going onto LinkedIn and actually looking for a job, whereas the passive approach is letting the job find you. Let's look at how you can leverage both of these strategies in detail. One way to leverage the active approach on LinkedIn is simply by searching the LinkedIn Jobs tab. LinkedIn Jobs is a typical job board where companies post their open positions for candidates to apply. There's various ways that you could use LinkedIn Jobs, and here are some of the ways that you can actually filter the jobs that are on the platform. You could search for jobs based on the following factors: suggested jobs, which are jobs LinkedIn thinks you might be a good fit for based on your profile; the date posted. Of course, you could filter this based on the most recent jobs that were posted. LinkedIn features. This filter helps you to view jobs in your network with under 10 applicants and easy apply. You could search by company. This filter allows you to select the companies in which you're looking for jobs. Experience level. This filter allows you to select the experience level required for jobs. Because this is like a typical job board, when you find a job that you are interested in applying for, you can click the apply button, which will take you directly to the company's website or job board to apply. On the other hand, you can also click the easy apply button, which will let you apply directly through LinkedIn. The second way you can leverage the active approach on LinkedIn is by searching hashtags. This is a strategy that not too many job seekers utilize, but it's an awesome approach to find jobs in what I call the hidden job market. So companies may not always post a job directly on LinkedIn. Sometimes you will see somebody from the company actually post about the job that they have available. This is a strategy that I don't see too many job seekers utilizing, and you're missing out on potential opportunities that are posted on LinkedIn. Some companies don't use LinkedIn job boards as the place that they want to post about their jobs. So what they'll do instead is they'll make a post, post it on their profile about an open role that they're hiring for, and then link job seekers to their own job board, either on their website or the likes. So what you can do is you can actually tap into this hidden job market simply by searching for relevant hashtags that employers are using to bring visibility to their open jobs. As a candidate, you can search these hashtags and make yourself aware to open positions that are posted on LinkedIn daily. Here are some of the hashtags that you could search: now hiring, get hired, job offer, job search, hiring, jobs, recruitment, remote work, recruiting. And the last way that you can leverage the active approach on LinkedIn is by following your dream company's pages on LinkedIn, and also following and connecting with recruiters. By following your dream company on LinkedIn, and also by staying up to date with recruiters in your industry or in your space, you will actually be aware of new opportunities when they arise, because the company or the recruiter will post about it. So this is a way that you could stay on the active approach on LinkedIn. Now let's talk about the passive approach. Now remember, the passive approach is letting opportunities come to you. I have had multiple clients receiving requests for interviews, recruiters reaching out to them for opportunities, and even getting job offers using the passive approach on LinkedIn. That means that they weren't necessarily actively searching for new opportunities, but the opportunities were coming to them because they followed these exact steps. First is that their profiles were fully optimized. If you want to take the passive approach on LinkedIn, or any approach for that matter, you need a fully optimized LinkedIn profile. Click the link in the description to watch my video all about how to optimize your profile to be searchable by recruiters. This is essential. You want to have a great headline. You want to have a summary that's keyword and story centered. You want to make sure that your experience is up to date and laid out. So make sure that your profile is fully optimized if you want to leverage the passive approach on LinkedIn. Because what will happen is if your profile is keyword centered and optimized in a way to be found by recruiters, you'll actually get recruiters coming to you. But the first step is that your profile needs to be optimized first. You always have to remember that there are recruiters on the LinkedIn platform looking for candidates like you. And in order for you to show up in their search results, you need a great profile that is keyword centered and optimized to be found. So click the link right after this video to watch my full series on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. And second, you need to make sure that your open to work settings are enabled on LinkedIn. The open to work settings simply notify recruiters that you are available and open for opportunities. Here's how to enable your open to work settings on LinkedIn. So I'm going to head over to my LinkedIn profile. Right underneath my headline, I'm going to click the blue open to button. I'm then going to select finding a new job. This is going to open my job preferences. So here I want to tell LinkedIn the type of work or roles I want to be found for, as well as set up some more job preferences. So I'm going to start off at the top with job titles. I'm going to add a few specific job titles that I want to be found for. Then I can select my workplaces. Do I want to work on-site, hybrid, or remote? Then I can select the job locations where I would be okay moving or relocating to. So my current location is Miami, Florida, but I can also add other locations that I would be open to moving to. Then I can select my start date. Am I available immediately or flexible? I can then select my job types. Am I looking for a full-time, contract, part-time, internship, or temporary role? And lastly, and this is very important, you want to select who sees that you are open to work. So once I click the arrow, I can click all LinkedIn members. That means that everybody on LinkedIn, including recruiters, as well as people in my current company, can see that I'm open to work. Be very careful with this option, because if you don't want your current employer to know that you are job searching, this is not the option to select. If you do select all LinkedIn members, that is fine, but also know that it is going to insert a green ring around your profile picture that shows that you are open to work. The other option I can select to only let recruiters know that I am searching for new opportunities. In this area, LinkedIn takes steps to try and guarantee that you are secure on the back end, that only recruiters will see that you are open to work. Once I have selected and updated my job preferences, I can then click add to profile. You can adjust these settings to let recruiters know if you are interested in remote work or specific location, what job titles and roles you are actually seeking. That way, on the back end, recruiters can see that you are open to work and they can actually reach out to you for potential opportunities if you have the setting enabled. So whether you take the active or the passive approach on LinkedIn, LinkedIn is a powerful tool that you can leverage to find and land your next opportunity. I hope you found these strategies and tools useful. If you did, please give this video a like. It helps so much. Let me know in the comments if you learned something new, but also because you stayed right until the end, I have a gift for you. I want you to download my free resource. It's a PDF guide that's going to walk you through exactly how to accelerate the results toward your next opportunity. Click the link right below this video. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel for more videos like these, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.